When it comes to recording your expenses, QuickBooks can handle most transactions. In fact, any transaction paid for by a credit card, debit card, electronic transfer, or every transaction that's not a cheque can be downloaded directly from your bank and credit cards into QuickBooks Online by using the online banking feature. These transactions are downloaded directly from your bank and your credit card, and then they go into the banking center where you can then categorize them. The great thing about this process is that you can enter the transactions from your vendors and you can categorize them. QuickBooks learns how it is that you spend your money with your vendors. Later, whenever you download more transactions from the same vendors, QuickBooks will automatically know how to categorize them. It remembers how it is that you spend your money. There are, however, some occasions in which you'll still need to enter transactions manually. First, you'll need to enter a transaction manually if you paid somebody with a cheque. Then later, when the cheque gets cashed and you download the cheque from your bank, you'll be able to match the downloaded transaction with the transaction that you entered manually. Another instance in which you need to enter a transaction manually is when you receive an invoice for an expense. When a vendor sends you an invoice telling you how much money you owe, and when you owe it, you do have to enter that into QuickBooks to record the fact that you owe that vendor some money. With these two methods, you can use QuickBooks to record all of your spending.